Uncovering chemical hazards in food manufacturing. Let's talk about chemical hazards and their sources in food manufacturing. First up, what are chemical hazards? These are harmful substances that can contaminate our food and make us sick. Let's explore where they come from. One common source is pesticides. These chemicals are used to protect crops from pests but can leave residues on fruits and vegetables. Next, we have cleaning agents. In food manufacturing, we use chemicals to keep everything clean. If not rinsed properly, these can end up in our food. Then there's food additives. These are used to enhance flavor, color, or shelf life. While most are safe, incorrect usage can pose a hazard. Another source is packaging materials. Some chemicals from packaging can migrate into food, especially if the packaging isn't food safe. Additionally, industrial contaminants like heavy metals can sneak into food through equipment and processing methods. Understanding these sources helps us prevent chemical hazards and keep our food safe. Always stay informed and follow safety guidelines. Thanks for watching. Follow for more food safety tips.